Hello everyone, I'm here again with one more balanced, easy recipe. So you just need to take chopped onions, chopped bell peppers, steamed pink cabbage. Now I'm gonna add some paneer, my favorite. I just love paneer. Now I'm grating it. This grilled sandwich is not just healthy but also super tasty. So people who think dieting or eating healthy is boring, so guys, you need to check out my videos. You need to get enrolled with me so that you can make your health while enjoying the healthy as well as super tasty food. So this is my favorite coriander chutney. I just love it. Now just look at the color of chutney and this stuffing. This is so attracting and so delicious. So here I wanna say, eat more healthy and tasty food. So your sandwich is ready. Eat slowly, enjoy every single bite. Ta-da!